The most difficult part I find that students have with the chain rule is just identifying the composite functions to begin with. So remember, the chain rule is when you have an inside and outside function, you're going to take the derivative of the outside, keep the inside the same, and then whatever that inside function is, you then multiply everything by the derivative of the inside function. We're not going to do the chain rule yet in this assignment. We're just going to identify what's the inside and outside function. So if you look at this notation, a composite function can be written as w of u of x. Realize u of x is the inside function and w is the outside function. So is g of x equal to square root of natural log of x a composite function? If so, what are u and w? So the outside function, if I were to rewrite that, the outside function would be the square root, and the inside function would be natural log of x. And of course, natural log of x has its own inside function, but in this case, it's just x. If it was 2x, then we'd have like kind of a double composite going on here. And we might see that in future examples. But here you could see u would be the inside function, which is natural log of x. So u is not square root of x, u is natural log of x. That's good. And then w is the square root of x, which is the outer function. So we're going to go with b. So look at this example. Here we have 2x plus 1 would be the inside, and then to the fourth power is the outside function. So in this case, u is going to be the inside function 2x plus 1. And our outside function w, I was going to put v, w would be to the fourth power. So we could just write that as like x to the fourth. So looking here, g is composite. The inner function is x to the fourth. No, the inner function is the 2x plus 1, and the outer function is the x to the fourth. Looking at this one, what's the inner and what's the outer function? So if we look at this, it's 2x squared plus 5x times tangent of x. This times tangent of x. There's no inside to tangent, just x. There's no inside outside here, so this actually is not a composite function. This instead would be product rule because we're multiplying those two functions. Last, we see e to the negative x squared. Well, the inside function is actually the exponent. If you think of the exponential function e to the x, this is the inner function. Whatever is here is going to be the inner function. So our u will be negative x squared, and our w, the outside function, is e to the x, e to the u. So then just find that. So u is the negative x squared, and w is the e to the x.